Hello guys, welcome to Tech Geek. So today we'll be discussing about multiprocessing versus multiprogramming. This is a very important and most asked question is operating systems in your semesters and even in your interviews. So while answering, please be careful. So let's see what these are. So first let's talk about multiprocessing. So what this term multiprocessing means, as the word suggests, multiprocessing, that means more than one processors. Okay. So in this, we have a system that has two or more than one processors. Okay. You can see there are various CPUs that are connected to the memory. Okay. Now, because of this multiprocessing, there are many processes that can be executed simultaneously, or we can say this multiprocessing can be done in various ways also. We have a symmetric, then asymmetric multiprocessing, which are divided. I guess this much is enough because you won't be asked to define multiprocessing types and all. So basically, you need to know that there are various CPUs, and these CPUs, or you can say the processor devices, okay, that are connected. Okay, this is CPU 1, then you can say CPU 2, and this is CPU 3. Okay, now coming to multiprogramming. So multiprogramming, in this we have more than one process running at a time. We don't have you can say many or multi-processors. We have multiple programs running at a time. Okay, so you can see there's only one CPU. Okay, apart from the other one, we had more than one CPUs. Okay, so this is the major difference you can see. In multiprocessing, we have one or more than one processors. In multiprogramming, we have only one. In multiprogramming, we have one and more programs running. Okay, so that is the thing you can see. Let's say we were executing three jobs at a time. Uh, that's music, Excel, or you can say any browser, Chrome, or someone which you are working on, and that is being operated. So the CPU is only one. So the OS will allot all these tasks to the given CPU. Okay. Now, let's see what the differences between multiprocessing and multiprogramming. As we saw, the number of CPUs in multiprocessing will be more than one. Okay. Whereas in multiprogramming, the CPUs is always one. The number of CPU is one. Then coming to the job execution time. Okay. The very first is it's more than one, sorry. For multiprocessing, it's more than one. And for multiprogramming, it's one. Then coming to the job processing time. So as there are various processors, so obviously the time required would be less. Comparatively, this will require more time because one processor is running for multiple programs. Now, in multiprocessing, more than one process can be executed at a time. That's pretty obvious that more than one processes because there are multiple processors. Here, there would be only one process that is to be executed one time. Similarly, coming to the number of users, now as you can see, you have various processors, you have various CPUs, so we can have multiple users working at one time. But here in multiprogramming, the number of users will be one. Now, talking about efficiency. So obviously, the one which is having the maximum results will be efficient. So here the efficiency of multiprocessing is maximum, whereas comparatively less multiprogramming is less efficient. I guess these points are clear to you. In case you have any doubts, to write in the comment box. I'll be there to help you out. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and do subscribe. Thank you. Thank you.